Yo, 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 what's good, YouTube? I am Uncle Skinny, and I am on the Sneaker Skinny Reviews channel, bruh. And before I get into this here video, man, there's a couple of things I need you to do for me. I need you to hit that subscribe button, and also, I need you to hit the like button, bruh. All that stuff is free, and it helps my channel rank up in the YouTube algorithm. Also, once you hit that subscribe button, turn that bell red, man. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button real quick. Turn that bell red to all notifications so you're notified every time I'm bringing you this content. Gotta give a salute to the Littest family on YouTube, the Skinny Naughty, and you too can become a member of the Skinny Naughty by hitting that join button down below, man. Hit that join button down below and become a part of the Littest family on YouTube. As you see, I'm still in this here B De Niro the brand shirt. It's just that I recorded a lot of videos on this here same day, so hey, spare your boy. But this video right here, I am so excited, bruh, to bring y'all this here video right here, because this here is a sneaker. Once I first seen it, I was like, man, it's alright, you know what I mean? But once I seen Ron Gosselin with it, I was like, yo, this joint here is tough. I started inquiring about it. It wasn't in any stores down here in Columbia, South Carolina. So I went down to the boys at Cola Kicks to grab a pair, and they had a pair actually, but they was charging like $300, and you know what I mean? Y'all already know the rules that I set in place for y'all guys, man. Do your research on the sneaker, bruh. So I did my research on the sneaker. They was charging $300. They would cut me a deal, but when I looked, just so happened that they had my size on StockX for $200, bruh, like $199, bruh. So I pounced on it. I jumped on it. I usually don't mess with StockX, bro, but I said, hey, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they got their stuff together by now. So, yo, I went ahead and hollered at them, bro. And I really, really think that this sneaker here is gonna be in the race for sneaker of the year, bro. But here it is, bro. StockX, y'all already know how they rock. You know what I'm saying? I don't even really care if y'all see my address. You feel me? Because everybody already basically knows my address, but you know what I'm saying? StockX. I'll try to put a little bit on the StockX, you know what I'm saying, box. Gonna use key man. Actually, I found my knife, bruh. But it's always in the car, because I always carry about 2 or 3 knives in case, you know what I'm saying? You know. But it's been a minute since I used StockX. Last time I used StockX, I forgot what the shoe was. Might have been, I don't know, man. I think it was a Yeezy 350 last time I used StockX, bro. No, last time I used StockX might have been on the Air Max 1 Safari joint. But anyway, opening this here box, and y'all already see it, bruh. Got a little bubble wrap in here, a little bubble wrap. Open this joint. And y'all see the black box. Now, y'all are gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? I haven't never seen this shoe in person except once. I'm talking about like the box and all that. So y'all gonna have to help me out. You know what I'm saying? You got some dope Chinese writing on this here box. Looks like a sticker. Got that. Got Nike on this side. There you can see the label, and the label reads Nike Air Max 1 Clot Net Deep Red Orange Blaze, size 13. And once I seen this here sneaker, I immediately said, bro, you can keep that bacon, you can keep all of that trash, bro. This right here is Air Max of the year. This here should have killed Air Max Day, all that stuff. This here is Air Max of the year, and let's pull it out, bro. What is this, bro? Bro, I don't know what. Comment down below and let me know that your box come with all this here Chinese stuff in the top of your box, bro. It says sinus, ear, eye. They trying to sell me some shit? Brain stem. Some crazy shit, bro. But they got a cause card in here, and it says, welcome. By now you already know that StockX is the live marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. But we're about so much more than that. StockX is about access. Whether it's the latest sneaker drop you missed out on, or the Gucci bag you've always wanted on StockX, everything is always available and always 100% authentic. Plus, with StockX, you always pay a fair price, the true market price. So, thank you for buying on StockX and for being a part of our incredible community. Let's go. Scott Cutler, CEO. So, these here are the new cards, I guess. Cover my address up. This here is how this stuff is supposed to come from StockX. You know what I'm saying? Not Henry, not UAs. You know, I know UAs be using StockX stuff, but I don't know what's up, man, with this here Chinese stuff, bro. But anyway, you got your quality control down here. You got a rope running across your box. StockX, I'm feeling kind of funny about this here, man. Y'all get in my comments and let me know what's going on right here. But as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it right here. There's the green quality control right here. And then I'm gonna peel this here paper back, because as you can see, it has the ropes and stuff on the paper. Voila, you know what I'm saying? The Air Max 1 clot, bruh. I hear some stuff in here. Yo, this sneaker here is dope, man. Look at the details on this shit. See what's going on in this box. The fuck? Now damn, this here is out. One of the shoes that's in here. I don't know what the fuck that's about. These shit's supposed to be dead stock. Got this BS right here. This here's some more Chinese shit, bro. Some more Chinese shit. Hold on, man. Something just don't seem right about these. Oh, I guess this here is what this here 1 to 20 is about. I don't know, this here some acupuncture type shit? I don't know, but at the bottom of the box, it got those numbers that line up right here at the bottom of the box. So, I guess this here's supposed to be some acupuncture type shit. Or you can push these spots to get to where you need to be. But let's look at this here shoe. This here is the left shoe. As you can see, the green eyelet, and you got the StockX symbol right here. And when I seen these shoes, when I seen Ron G break out these shoes, bro, I was like, yo, these joints is smooth. I see also it got a Nike Chinese tag on it. But yo, let's get into the shoe. Yo, it's all kind of different. Clot did that thing on this shoe, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's looking like somebody wore this shit, bro. Looking like somebody tried this shit on, bro. This shit here is supposed to be dead stock, no cap, bro. Dead stock, no cap. But let's get into the shoe, man. Let's start at the sole that basically nobody is gonna see. But like, this sole is so dope. You got the different colors at the bottom of the sole. You got the side panel, you got that orange and maroon that I think just goes so good together with this here beige. And the Nike is snakeskin. Well, false snakeskin print. And this top part is like alligator. I don't know what this is. This here is like a nubuck. This here is an orange. This here is just dope. And this here gives me that flea market vibe, bruh. Remember the old school Jordans when they used to try to make them all see-through? This is actually see-through. So you're gonna have to have your sock game tight with these. Pull this one here out of this one. Let me know how they come straightened up, bro. Because this one here, this is the one that didn't have the what you call in it, bro. But I take this here out. I look at the tongue, man. This tongue is mean, bro. You see the green, light green hits on the tongue, and then like you can basically like flip the tongue down, and then you got the clot in the back. So this joint here is dope. See the size 13 in here, but bruh, I'm trying to, bruh, these shoes have been tried on, bro. These shoes have been tried on, bro. These shoes have been tried on, bro. They also come with an extra set of laces, maroon laces. I really think these maroon laces should go in there. They also like leather laces too. They got that leather hard laces, but these joints have been tried on, bro. I don't know if you can see it. Look right here where my finger is. Look right here where my finger is. You can tell they've been tried on. I'm not fucking with StockX no more, bro. You can even tell right here. Somebody got sock lint in them. Like, I'm returning these, bro. I want to do an on foot on these here so bad for y'all guys, but this shit here is crazy, man. Shit is crazy. Plus it got me pissed off. But anyway, this here is the Air Max of the year, bro. And that's coming from me. That's coming from your Uncle Skinny. Definitely Air Max of the year. Fault me if I'm kind of disappointed, but I wanted a dead stock shoe. That's what my money paid for. And StockX, I will be reaching out to you because this is not a dead stock shoe, bro. But other than that, the presentation, y'all seen the box, y'all seen everything about this shoe that makes this shoe a winner. And yo, I'll be doing another review on this shoe. Once I get the shoe that I want, I'm gonna do the on foot, all that for y'all guys. I'm gonna get in touch with StockX. But I just wanna thank y'all for y'all time, bro. Because time is one thing you can't get back, and you chose to spend it watching this video. Even though I'm kind of frustrated right now. Yeah, get in the comments, let me know what you think. StockX, I want to call you a piece of S. Well, you are a piece of S, but I'm trying not to cuss on my videos though. But you got me effed up, StockX, you know what I'm saying? And anybody else who you doing like this, bro, like, bruh, stop it, man. Stop it. It don't cost that much to be real. StockX, man, you gotta do better in checking your shit, bruh. Like, I don't care nothing about these cards and all this bullshit, bro. I don't care nothing about these StockX things and stuff like that, bro. I just want my shoes. I want to know that they real, and I want to know that they dead stock. And with that being said, man, I love y'all guys. Subscribe to the channel. Get your likes up. Hit StockX up for me. Let them know, man, how they did me, bro. Like, bro, I don't pay for used shoes, bro. I pay for dead stock shoes. Love y'all guys. Salute. Out of here. You feel me? Pissed off, man. Got me pissed off, bro. Got me pissed off for real, man.